Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Development, transformation, Niger Delta, my Niger Delta.
Perhaps the government is missing or forgetting the fact that NDDC is a special purpose vehicle. Just like the amnesty, these are not regular government agencies. There was a crisis in a region, and these were specially created to deal with those crises. So you cannot put Niger Delta or NDDC under the Nigerian ministries or whatever, and at the end of the day create a greater bottleneck for governance and its administration. Assuming Niger Delta goes back into flame, God forbid, and NDDC, which is at the center of this whole stuff, is to deal with that conflict in managing this, would we be going through that TSA that has no end? So as part of our recommendation is that the NDDC should be taken out of the TSA for effective governance and efficient operations of the activities. The president, with all the powers available to his office, in my opinion, this does not need a National Assembly. This is just being rational in dealing with an environment that requires special attention. The NDDC is doing a lot. I can almost say that there's a nexus between the activities of the amnesty program, the NDDC, and national economy. Because I can tell you, because I know, if these things do not work for the good of our region, activities can disrupt the free flow of oil and gas. And once there's that disruption, the entire country will feel it. So the best way, in my opinion, is creating that special attention like previous governments have done. That peace in the Niger Delta is peace in Nigeria's economy. That has to be provided. And I don't think keeping the NDDC under the yoke of TSA is any way to go.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,